In order to change your bit part, you're gonna see the lock button there, you're gonna push that down, and using the tool that they provided, you're gonna go counterclockwise on here. So the way you do it is that you're gonna just feel until you're gonna move that until you can press down on the lock button. You're gonna go counterclockwise. Okay, once it's released, you should be able to change out your bit. And while you're still holding this, you can put in a new bit right here. Okay, you want to tighten it up a little bit with your hand while still holding the lock button, and then we're going to go tighten that up, and then you can let go of the lock button, and you should be ready to go with a new bit. And that's how you change out the bit on the Dremel Stylus.